Meanwhile, the High Court has ordered in-person learning to resume for all classes not later than 60 days from today and banned community-based learning, terming it illegal. In his ruling, Justice Makau held that President Uhuru Kenyatta had no power under the Basic Education Act to order the open-ended closure of schools in Kenya earlier this year. Oko Okusa reports.
In a 107-page judgment, Justice Makau also held that the open-ended closure of schools in the country was a violation of Kenya's school-enrolled children and the learners' right to education. The judge also declared unconstitutional the decision by Education Cabinet Secretary Joy Magoha to prolong the open-ended closure of schools, saying that the CS acted unilaterally without consulting the parents or guardians of the school-enrolled children, the affected learners, together with the National Education Board and the respective county education boards. The court also banned the community-based learning programs introduced by the state and ordered that the reopening ensures that health and safety guidelines are observed. The petitioner Joseph Aura had sued the CS for Education, Ministry of Health, the National Council for Children's Services and the Attorney General. CS Magoha, however, declined to react on the ruling during an inspection tour in Kisumu today.
I have no comment, in capital letters. I have no comment. Absolutely no comment. I'm a worker for the people. You will see me working at the point where the rubber meets the road. Are we together? At that point, you are likely to find some friction.
That friction appears to have landed the CS in hot soup with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission after he was captured on camera reprimanding an education official in Eldoret recently. But Kotu Secretary General Francis Atwoli says the CS was in order.
Now when they hear about fitina issues on the CS, they are rushing there. Oh, we are investigating. What are you investigating? An obvious matter. There must be discipline in our institutions. We must have disciplinarians as leaders. We must have cabinet secretaries who are disciplined.
Once again, the tough-talking CS weighed in on the ongoing debate about school fees, warning parents to be ready with the funds when schools reopen on 4th January 2021.
And our instructions have been very clear that as our parents struggle, and we understand as they struggle, let them be sincere so that those who can pay should pay, and those who can pay in bits can pay in bits, and those who can't pay completely, then we would want to listen to them.
But even as the CS spoke, education stakeholders in Kisii County criticized its ministry for underfunding learning institutions.
Let them send their money as early as next month so that we have 1 month at least to prepare for the resumption of schools.
Oko Okusa, NTV.